with ice water.
Yeah, I want cream and Splenda in it though, for sure.
Do you want to keep the classic?
Yeah, what is that?
It's just the default sugar we put in it.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, thanks.
Okay, and you said
We
Splenda?
gotta get Eli.
No,
something.
no. If it's sweet, then no Splenda.
Okay.
You gotta get
What
Eli
else?
something.
Definitely cream. And then we have a Yorkie. Can you give us just like a small, tiny puppy whip? And then we have a kid that we should probably get.
They have apple juice. We can pour it in his drink, in his cup.
Oh yeah, can we get it like a small apple juice, like a kid's at juice box or something?
Yeah, I got apple juice.
Yeah, that'll work.
Perfect. What else?
That's it.
So I have the grande ice chai tea latte, 3 pumps white mocha, 3 pumps peppermint, vanilla chicken foam cutted. Then I have a grande iced coffee with cream and then a puff cup and apple juice. That's gonna be $13.80 at the window.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's a good picture too. Give him Rex his puppy whip.
Yeah, we're just waiting for him to get done, right? Rex?
Yeah. Good job, buddy. Rex likes his puppy whip. All right, all done.
Mommy shark. Mommy shark. Mommy shark. Mommy shark. Mommy shark.
It's right here. Daddy shark, daddy shark, daddy shark. Daddy shark,
This can't never let mama make it.
All right, I'll be right back, Bubba.
Hey guys, so we are just doing some Saturday things. We normally don't go out on Saturdays really, but I convinced my husband to kind of get out. Got me a Starbucks, as y'all saw. I pray for my child because I probably shouldn't even be drinking all this caffeine, but chai latte doesn't have that much caffeine in it, so I should be good. But yeah, so went and got that, and we have a birthday party to go to later, but man, I'm starting to have a migraine, so I don't even know if I'm gonna really make it. So if I don't go, we probably just won't go in general. But we have a couple more things to go do. I think we're gonna go to Lowe's and maybe find a like little cheap Christmas tree. Do you have something to say? Don't waste baby shark. Turn it over. Turn it back up. Yeah, do that. So we threw away our other Christmas tree. It was like a 7-footer. We had it for a few years, but like all the pre-lit lights stopped working and I was just sick of it. So we threw it away and it was taking up a lot of space. So now we have to find another Christmas tree, but we're gonna go cheap because that one was like $300. Nobody need all that. We're just gonna get a cheap Christmas tree. I'm not even concerned with it. So, but yeah, so we're gonna do that. And then we need to go get a birthday present, but it's already almost 12 o'clock. Eli needs to go down for a nap. So I'm really not sure how this is going to work out with this birthday party thing. So I really want him to go to a birthday party because he's never been to one. But it just, the time isn't working out. So, and I didn't get Eli up until super late. Because he literally heard Baby Shark one day at school and he's been singing it. And we have like these little drinks that we buy him. And they have like Paw Patrol, Mickey Mouse, Baby Shark. And so we bought him a Paw Patrol this morning. He was like, Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol, Paw Patrol. And he was really, really singing Paw Patrol. So then we got him an apple juice and we were going to refill the Paw Patrol. And he was like, no, Baby Shark. And so then, like, here, let me show you. You see the top over there? So we actually had to switch. We actually just switched the tops because he was like freaking out. He wanted Baby Shark. So we did Baby Shark. But anyway, so yeah, we're just going to go get a Christmas tree. And then I don't know what we're going to do about this party. I feel really bad. Because I love this couple and I love their son. His name is Wrigley. He's so cute. But we'll see what happens. So, yeah. And I will just take you guys along for the ride wherever we go next. Oh, give me the other foot. Give me the other foot.
Oh,
What if you don't come on? Okay.
oh.
Stop screaming, please. Let me order my drink, son.
Good morning. How you doing?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Good. Thanks for asking. What can I get started for you?
Can I please get an iced,
What size?
a grande,
Okay.
a toasted white mocha?
Okay.
Oh, you already had it on there, didn't you? Okay, can I get the 2 pumps of the sugar cookie with a vanilla sweet cream foam?
So good, not gonna lie.
No, it's amazing.
The toasted white chocolate milk, the 2 pumps of the sugar cookie, and then the vanilla cream.
Yes, I want to see if I can get this with almond milk.
Get it with almond milk? Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you still want? No, you don't. Okay. I was like, do you want the whip? But you're getting the cold foam instead of whip.
Yeah.
Is it dairy sensitive or preference, may I ask?
Say that again.
Is it almond milk because of dairy sensitive or preference?
Just preference.
Okay, I just want to
Because
make
I
sure.
had to get this holiday drink again because it is just so good, and I feel as though I need a bit of joy this morning. That's my bit of joy. Well, not joy, but just like something that makes me happy. Because I have to go to work soon, so I've gotten up taking care of my kid, did like my devotion and stuff. I haven't taken care of myself yet, so hopefully I can get that done before I go to work. Made breakfast for everybody, and now we're getting Starbucks. So, and my kid is kind of going ham back then. He wants to be on the camera. Yeah. Yeah, all right. Hey y'all, so as you can see, I'm back in my little closet working, so got my Starbucks and I'm just trying to like decompress 5 minutes before I have to clock in. You know, like I'm like kind of just transitioning in my channel, so I really want to start doing mom vlogs. Make this like a consistent thing, amongst other things too. I still want to get back to like my DIYs and stuff, but I just want to be completely transparent with y'all. Like, I want to do positive and happy mom vlogs and just kind of show my everyday life, and the reality of it is like sometimes everything just kind of sucks. Like, I just feel like there's just no time for me. Like, I'm up like 5, sometimes 4, depending on if baby gets up, son gets up, and then I try to do my devotion. There's like literally no time to work out yet. I haven't finessed that within my schedule yet. And then my son gets up, make breakfast. Now, before I used to go to work at 12, but now I go to work at 10, so that I could be off a little earlier, so that I could, you know, basically see my son in the evening, basically give him a bath, take care of him at night, put him to bed, and that's wonderful. It's great. I want to see my baby after school. Anyway, however, now I'm like rushing in the morning, trying to get everything done, and then sit down. Like, this is the first time I've sat down besides being with my son. This is the first time I've sat down, and I'm about to clock in. I have 3 minutes to clock in, and I'm just like, it's just so stressful. So, I don't know if any of you moms have some tips out there. I just don't know how to relieve myself and get some time for me, you know. But yeah, so my Starbucks is kind of like a little vacay for me. However, as I said in another clip, that I shouldn't be drinking all this coffee. Definitely gonna have to chill out because I'm pregnant. I can't be drinking a lot of caffeine. So I'm probably not even gonna drink this whole thing because it's just not a good idea. Regardless if it makes me happy or not. So what I got from Amazon. Make sure y'all like this video, especially if I like am consistent and don't like skip like 5 days and then come back to y'all. So far I've done 2 days. I'm proud of myself. Okay. All right, so Inspired by Grace. This is a prayer journal that I purchased off Amazon, and it's super cute. Like, you can color and stuff like that in it. So it's kind of very similar to like the adult coloring books, but it's really simple because all it has is like, let me put y'all, can you see me? Oh, like, there you go. So it has like the date, the verse, reflections, prayers, gratitude. And so it just has it every day. So this is just like my prayer journal that I wanted to start trying to use. I watch Kyra Stewart a lot, and she does that. And so I just thought it would be a good idea just to try to incorporate this so I can just be like a little more focused, because my devotion time is kind of like all over the place. And I do have other prayer journals, so I always try to get something to replace the other ones, but I don't think I'm going to be able to replace them. This will just be in addition to it, because I have like a prayer journal for my babies, like certain prayers and scriptures I pray over them. So yeah, so that's the other thing that I bought. So what I'll do is I'll link all the little stuff that I bought in the description, and y'all hold me to that, because I said that before and I didn't do it. I'm gonna try to link it. If y'all like some of the stuff, it's super inexpensive. I didn't do nothing expensive because yeah, can't be spending a lot of money. You gotta save. You know, just I try to buy stuff that's not too expensive and outside of a, you know, a common sense budget. Let me just say that. So yeah, so I had to take a quick break from what I was doing to make my son a little snack. Well, this is basically lunch. So he loves the smoked turkey legs from HEB, so that's what we're eating, and sliced cheese and green beans. You like them?
Oh, my cute lights.
Yeah?
Oh, my cute lights.
Yeah?
Oh, my cute lights.
Looky. Oh my goodness, Eli, look. Look, Eli. Look at the Christmas lights.